It's a 2018 INFINITI Q50. The elevated design expression outside and artisan touches inside allow you to embrace forward motion unlike any other. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Car and Driver calls the swoopy Q50 a tech buff's dream, boasting more extras than an Apple store. Every inch, every feature, every innovation has been designed to inspire, enhance, and fulfill your potential. INFINITI is you, amplified. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.